I'm sorry. It's fine. I'll go get it. Whaley, are you okay? It's a puppy. It's so cute. I'm going to go ask Dad if I can keep them. Come on, boy, let's go. In other news, Lobotomy Corporation claims that a highly dangerous abnormality has escaped from one of their facilities. Do not worry, for some agents have been dispatched to find and recontain the abnormality, but it is still wise to keep a lookout and stay safe. Hey Dad, we found this puppy in the woods. May we please keep them? I'm sorry, but I don't think we can afford a pet right now, and taking home a wild animal seems dangerous. It is currently unknown if this... I'm sorry, boy, but we can't keep you. I know, what if we teach them tricks? Then your dad can't say no.
Beach volleyball!
Yes, we should teach them fetch first. How about you take a bow?
Otherwise, Cromer will come to your house and kill your family.
You dig. Speak.
I love you.
Well, there's no way Dad could say no to that. Let's go. We can surely convince him now. Hey Dad, Why are you looking at me like that?
Hello?
I love you.
Oh. Huh. That's...
FBI, open up!
You are in possession of a highly dangerous abnormality. Please return it to us, or else we will have to use force. Oh no, Faust warned me some unfriendly people like this may come by one day. Don't worry, kids. I can handle them. Oh, well, all's well that ends well, right?
You have received a voicemail. Goodbye.